MMTC has been traditionally importer of gold for the last 20 years, but the customer was looking at pure jewelry and a variety of jewelry which MMTC showrooms have been able to provide.
MMTC, India's largest international trading company with a turnover of around $10 billion.
In 9-10, MMTC's import was 186 tons. Last year we did 245 tons. This year it may happen anything about 300 tons.
A company with a vast international network aims at expanding in the domestic retail market. In a joint venture with Indian Potash Limited, MMTC has launched its exclusive jewelry showroom IPL Swarnalaya in New Delhi.
The joint venture which we have floated and first showroom is here before you today is bound to succeed because we are going to a market where both of us are understood and respected as suppliers of quality products at fair and affordable prices. We are sure this consumer-friendly image of two organizations will lead us to achieving more and more in this field.
Known for its purity, and the other USP of MMTC is variety. So what we show in our showrooms and what we show in the Festival of Gold exhibitions is basically jewelry from all regions of India. So like if you're talking about Calcutta, you've got very good bridal jewelry coming from Calcutta. If you're looking at the southern states like Bangalore, or you're looking at Chennai, or you're looking at Vizag, so there is very intricate jewelry which is temple jewelry from these southern states.
We are starting with state capitals and then we'll go down to district headquarters and maybe even smaller towns.
मेरी फर्स्ट चॉइस ये होती है कि मैं कभी भी कुछ मुझे खरीदना होता है तो मैं MMTC पर जाती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे प्योरिटी का बड़ा वो होता है और एक डिज़ाइनिंग का भी होता है और प्योरिटी की।
त्योहार के मौके पर मैं जब भी कुछ गोल्ड या ज्वेलरी खरीदना होता है तो मैं अपने परिवार के साथ मेरे मन में एक ही नाम आता है और वो है MMTC.
MMTC, a brand known for quality, purity and hallmark jewelry. With wide varieties of designs from all over the country, MMTC will soon be coming up with its own brand.
MMTC rocks!